In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to stabilize and anchor your EMT conduit builds. This is going to be a really good solution if you're building something like a projector screen frame or a canopy or a garden structure. There's all kinds of different uses that I see for this, and the reason this is so useful is because we've talked about different solutions in the past for anchoring builds, but those you've had to kind of anchor in like grass or dirt, or you have to secure it to your garden bed or your deck. But this is actually a freestanding solution, and I think it's great. This comes from Stefan, who shared this a couple weeks ago. He made a camera tripod, and if you look at the bottom of his build, you'll notice he's using a universal umbrella base to stabilize and kind of anchor the build, which is really cool. And whenever he first shared that, I wanted to make a video showcasing it, like we normally do when people share good hacks and solutions. We make a video to kind of spread the word to the community who might find it useful. But when I was looking for different solutions, you'll see a bunch of these out there on Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, different places like that. And most of them have this mounting solution already mounted to them. It's kind of already in place. And you'll notice here I've got 3/4 inch EMT. If you put this in here, it's incredibly sloppy, not really secured. You could use this and get away with it, and it would kind of secure your build like we're after here, but it's not really the greatest solution. So I didn't make a video because I wasn't super happy with the fitment. And so I kind of just put the idea to bed. Up until yesterday, I was looking again and found that some of these actually have these two pieces separated, which means we have this base here. This is a concrete base. I got this one at Walmart. It was on sale for 20 bucks. I'll link the specific one down below. This is what the box looks like. And this one is 26 pounds, it says. And basically, we just got this 26 pound, it's a concrete, just kind of slab here that's covered in plastic. And there's a mounting hole right in the middle of it that we could take advantage of. So all you need is, I'm using a 2.5 inch long 3/8/16 bolt with a washer. Just going to put that through the mounting hole, and then it's kind of a pain to hold and deal with, but basically just going to put another washer on the other side with a 3/8/16 nut, and then we're just going to tighten this in place using a couple of wrenches. Pretty simple, and just want to get this pretty tight. Doesn't have to be too crazy, of course, but get that tight. And now we've got this mounting point, this stud, basically sticking up out of this base, which is really useful because then we can use another Maker Pipe accessory, which is the threaded pipe insert. I've got a 3/8/16 threaded pipe insert inserted into this piece of conduit. So then all you have to do is just thread this on, as you can see here. And of course I only have one because I'm just showing you guys the solution. But basically every vertical that you have in your build, you could use this solution and add a base to the bottom, and you'll just thread this on till it's nice and tight. And then you've got an anchor for your build, as you can see here. And like I said, the verticals in your build can just go up, and then you can build off of them, and you've got a nice and secure anchor. I mean, this is 26 pounds. They do make all kinds of other ones where you've got some that are all the way up to like 100 pounds. This one, like I said, was at Walmart for 20 bucks, so I picked it up. And 25 pounds is a pretty good amount, but there are other types. The one that Stefan used allows you to refill it and kind of customize the weight. You could use sand or water. This one is concrete, but there's different styles. You just want to make sure that you get one that allows you to basically not use this mounting bracket, but then replace it with a bolt that you can then thread your conduit into. I think this is really cool. It has a lot of useful applications, like I said. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to Stefan for sharing this idea. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.